Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Smooth English Talks. I hope you are doing well. Today, we have a very useful English lesson. Our topic is Learn English with Listening. Do you want to speak English better? Do you want to understand English more easily? Do you want to speak without fear? Then listening can help you a lot. Listening is one of the best ways to learn English. You do not need difficult words. You do not need long grammar lessons. You do not need to understand everything at once. You just need to listen. Listen every day. Listen to simple English. Listen to the same words again and again. Slowly, your ears will become familiar with English. You will understand more. You will remember more. And one day, speaking will become easier. So today, we will learn English through a simple listening story. Listen carefully. Do not worry about mistakes. You can listen once, then listen again. You can also pause the video. Repeat after me. Speak slowly and enjoy learning English. Now, let us begin.
My morning, I wake up early. I open my eyes. I look at the clock. It is 6 in the morning. I get out of bed. I open the window. Fresh air comes into my room. The morning is quiet. I can hear birds outside. The sky is bright. The sun is slowly coming up. I feel fresh. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I take a shower. I put on clean clothes. Now I feel ready for the day. I go to the kitchen. My mother is making breakfast. She smiles at me. She says, "Good morning." I say, "Good morning, Mom." She asks, "Did you sleep well?" I say, "Yes, I slept well." Then I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat bread. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. Breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I clean the table. Then I go to my room. I pack my bag. I check my books. I check my phone. I make sure I have everything. Now I am ready. I leave my home. I walk outside. The morning air feels nice. I see many people. Some people are going to work. Some people are going to school. Some people are walking. Some people are riding bikes. The street is slowly getting busy. I walk slowly. I look around. I listen to the sounds. I hear cars. I hear people. I hear birds. I hear the sound of the wind. This is my simple morning.
Part 2. Why listening is important. Now, let us talk about listening. Why is listening important? Listening helps you understand English. When you listen to English every day, your ears learn English sounds. At first, English may sound fast. You may not understand the words. That is normal. Do not feel sad. Do not give up. Keep listening. Your brain needs time. Your ears need time. Learning a language takes time. Think about a baby. A baby listens before speaking. A baby hears people every day. The baby hears simple words. The baby hears the same words many times. Then the baby starts to understand. After some time, the baby starts to speak. You can learn in a similar way. Listen first, understand slowly, then speak. You do not need to speak perfect English on the first day. You need to hear English again and again. Listening helps you learn natural English. You learn how words sound. You learn how people speak. You learn common expressions. You learn the rhythm of English. You also learn how sentences connect. That is why listening is so useful. Part 3. Listen without translating. There is one important thing to remember. Try not to translate every word. Many English learners do this. They hear an English sentence, then they translate it into their first language. Then they think about the meaning. Then they make a sentence. This takes time. It can make speaking slow. So try a different way. Listen to the sentence. Understand the idea. Do not translate every word. For example, I am hungry. You do not need to translate the sentence word by word. Just understand the meaning. You know the feeling. You feel hungry. So when you hear, I am hungry, you understand it quickly. Here is another sentence. I am tired. You already know what it means. You do not need to translate it. You can connect the sentence with the feeling.
Part 4. Listen to a daily life story. Now let us listen to a longer story. The story is about a young man named Daniel. Daniel wants to improve his English. He knows some English words. He can read simple English, but speaking is difficult for him. He feels nervous when he speaks. He also has trouble understanding fast English. One day, Daniel makes a decision. He says, "I will improve my English with listening." He starts with 10 minutes every day. Every morning, he listens to simple English. He listens while drinking tea. He listens while eating breakfast. He listens while walking. At first, he understands very little. Some words sound strange. Some sentences sound too fast. Daniel feels confused, but he does not stop. He listens again. The next day, he listens again. The next week, he continues. After 1 month, something changes. Daniel starts to understand more words. He knows some common sentences. He understands simple questions. He can follow short conversations. Daniel feels happy. He says, "My English is getting better." But Daniel does not stop. He continues listening. He listens to easy stories. He listens to simple conversations. He listens to short lessons. He listens to the same audio many times. Sometimes he listens while walking. Sometimes he listens before sleeping. Sometimes he listens in the morning. He does not need a perfect place. He only needs a few quiet minutes. Slowly, English becomes familiar. English does not sound strange anymore. His ears become stronger. His understanding becomes better. Then Daniel starts speaking. He uses simple sentences. He says, "My name is Daniel. I live in a small town. I like reading books. I enjoy listening to English. I want to speak English well." His sentences are simple, but he speaks. That is important. Daniel learns an important lesson. He learns that progress does not happen in one day. Progress comes from small steps. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes the next day. Small effort becomes a big result.
Part 5. Do not fear mistakes. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is not perfect? Do not think too much about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you were a child, you made many mistakes, but you kept trying. That is how you learned. English is the same. You may say a wrong word. That is okay. You may use the wrong grammar. That is okay. You may speak slowly. That is okay. Keep going. Do not stop. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. Every time you listen, you learn something. Every time you repeat, you improve something. Every time you speak, you become more confident. So do not be afraid. Part 6. Learn English during daily activities. You can listen to English while doing many simple activities. You can listen while walking. You can listen while cooking. You can listen while cleaning. You can listen while having breakfast. You can listen while drinking tea. You can listen while traveling. You can listen before sleeping. You can listen in the morning. You can listen in the evening. You do not always need to sit at a desk. You can make English part of your daily life. For example, when you wake up, listen for 5 minutes. While having breakfast, listen for 5 minutes. While walking, listen for 10 minutes. At night, listen for 10 minutes. You do not need a long study session. Small sessions are useful. The most important thing is consistency. Do it every day.
Part 7. Listen to this short story. Now listen to another easy story. My name is David. I live in a small town. My town is quiet. There are many trees near my home. There is also a small lake. I like walking near the lake. Every morning I wake up early. I open my window. I listen to the birds. Then I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. After breakfast, I go outside. I walk for 20 minutes. While I walk, I listen to English. At first, I understand only a few words. But I continue. I listen every day. After some weeks, I understand more. I can understand simple stories. I can understand simple questions. I can understand short conversations. I feel happy. Now I speak more English. I still make mistakes. But I am not afraid. I know that mistakes are normal. I know that learning takes time. So I continue listening. I continue speaking. I continue learning. And every day I become a little better.
Part 8. Listen again and again. Remember one important rule. Do not always look for new lessons. Sometimes listen to the same lesson again. The first time you may understand little.
The second time, you may understand more. The third time, you may understand even more. This is normal. Repetition is powerful. When you hear the same words again and again, your brain remembers them. For example, I am tired. You hear it today. You hear it tomorrow. You hear it again next week. Soon, the sentence becomes easy. You do not think about grammar. You do not translate it. You simply understand it. This is what you want. You want English to feel natural, and listening can help you get there. Part 9. Do not listen to difficult English. If you are a beginner, do not start with very difficult English. Do not choose content that is too hard. Start with simple stories. Start with short conversations. Start with easy daily English. Choose content that you can understand. Maybe you understand 60%. That is okay. Maybe you understand 70%. That is good. Maybe you understand 90%. That is excellent. The important thing is that you understand something. Then slowly increase the level. Easy first, then medium, then difficult. Do not rush. Learning English is a journey. Take one step at a time.
Let us remember the 3 important steps. Listen, understand, speak. First, listen. Let your ears hear English. Second, understand. Try to understand the main idea. Third, speak. Use what you heard. For example, you hear, I am going to the market. Now you can change it. I am going to school. I am going to work. I am going to the park. I am going to the bank. You are using one sentence pattern. This makes English easier. You do not need to create everything from zero. Listen to a useful sentence. Learn the pattern. Change a few words. Then speak. This is a simple way to build confidence. Part 11. A simple evening routine. Now imagine it is evening. You have finished your work. You are sitting in a quiet place. You have your phone. You open a simple English lesson. You listen for 10 minutes. You hear a short story. You listen carefully. You do not translate every word. You focus on the meaning. Then you hear one useful sentence. You pause the audio. You repeat it. You hear it again. You repeat again. Then you make your own sentence. For example, I am tired today. You can change it. I am happy today. I am busy today. I am free today. I am ready today. Now you are learning. You are listening. You are speaking. You are thinking in English. This simple routine can become a daily habit.
Part 12. Your English can improve. Maybe you think your English is weak. Maybe you think you cannot speak. Maybe you think English is too difficult. But remember this, you can improve. You do not need to become fluent in 1 week. You do not need to know thousands of words today. Start with simple words. Learn simple sentences. Listen every day. Repeat every day. Speak every day. Even 5 minutes can help. 10 minutes can help even more. 20 minutes can be better. But do not wait for a perfect schedule. Start with what you have. If you have 5 minutes, use 5 minutes. If you have 10 minutes, use 10 minutes. If you have 30 minutes, use 30 minutes. The important thing is to start. And the most important thing is to continue. Part 13. Final listening practice. Before we finish, let us do one final listening practice. Listen carefully. Do not look at the words if you can. Just listen. I am learning English. I listen every day. I listen to simple English. I listen to stories. I listen to conversations. I learn new words. I learn new sentences. I repeat what I hear. I speak slowly. I do not fear mistakes. I know that learning takes time. I will not give up. I will keep listening. I will keep speaking. I will keep learning. My English is getting better. I may be a beginner today, but I can improve tomorrow. I can learn 1 word.
I can learn one sentence. I can speak one sentence, then another sentence, then another. Little by little, I will improve. Day by day, I will become better. I believe in myself. I believe in my English journey, and I will keep going.
Conclusion. My dear friends, today we learned how to learn English with listening. Remember the most important lesson. You do not need to understand everything. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need difficult words. Start with easy English. Listen every day. Listen to simple stories. Listen to short conversations. Listen to the same audio again. Repeat useful sentences. Speak slowly. Do not be afraid of mistakes. And most importantly, do not give up. Your English will not improve in one day, but it can improve every day. One word at a time, one sentence at a time, one listening session at a time. You may feel that nothing is happening, but your brain is learning, your ears are learning, your mouth is learning, your confidence is growing. So keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, keep learning. And one day you will look back and say, wow, my English is much better now. So start today. Listen for 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. Make listening a daily habit. Thank you so much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more easy English lessons. And share this video with someone who wants to improve their English. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. See you in the next lesson.